Goodnight Construction Site. Down in the big construction site, tow trucks work with the hard equipment. Very, make bold to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed, to yawn and rest their sleepy heads, and wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, Crane Truck lifted one last beam. His lonely forces boom back in. Then one last sleepy grunt tucks himself in next and tight, curls up and says goodnight. Shh, makes him just goodnight. Been turning all day long, so then has seen his woolly son. Now yawn, he's very and so daisy. The fun that keeps him busy. For one last spin, he pours the load. It's ready now to leave the road. He takes it back, is shiny bright, cause I wish it hands off his last shoe. He cuts his stitches, slows his drum, and has screams of twirly fun. Shh. Makes him a good night. Dump truck loves working hard. Carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place and dumps it with a happy face. One final load stares on a heap. Crunch! And now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. It holds his bed and locks the gate. Busts his wheels, getting late. Jumps asleep, then shuts his doors, and soon as engine slows to snore. Hey, put down! You're snoring too loud! Pushing with his mighty blade, put on the rocks to smooth the way. He clears the way to level ground, and fills the air with thunderous sound. Wow! No one is tough and strong as he, and now he's sleeping. It's come back. He puffs out smoke out of his deck, turns off his engine, stops and struck. He curls into a softer bed and dreams of 50 days ahead. Goodnight, what does it goodnight? Sweeping gravel, dirt, and sand. Excavator shapes the land, digs and lifts throughout the day. But now it's time to end it. A few more holes to dig into. He will roll to bed beneath the moon. Throws upon his bumpy track, pulls up his tool, touches his back, and sets his foot down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh, can I excavate? These big trucks so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks. Relax the rear, the stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site all tucked in. Day is done, turn off the light. Great work today. Shh.